Hello and welcome to e-polish.eu. In online classes in our virtual classroom, your teacher can assign you homework for each lesson. This tutorial will show you how to access and complete it. Typically, your teacher will inform you about the assigned homework themselves. However, after the conclusion of each class, you will also receive an email with a lesson summary. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to your homework. If your teacher has not assigned any homework for the lesson, this link will be empty. It will simply redirect you to the archive of your previous classes. You will receive a notification about any assigned homework when you log into your account. A notification will also appear in the panel here. Another method for accessing your homework is to navigate to School, Classes, Archive. When you have any unfinished homework, you will see this icon. Clicking on it will take you to the most recently assigned homework. You can select the Archive folder to access all your previous lessons. Any lesson that includes homework will feature the homework icon alongside it. To display the homework, you can either click on the icon or open the lesson presentation and navigate to the slide with a purple homework icon. Once you have completed an exercise, press Check. You will see your score below the exercise and you will be able to toggle between your answers and the correct answers using the My Answers and Show buttons. When you press Check on an exercise, your teacher will be able to see and review your answers on their account. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing ePolish and happy learning!